All right, so let's begin operation. What is this called? Cut. So here is winglet one. Hello, mic testing. This is your Black Voicer here. Welcome to another vlog, and these are two boxes from Autologue Design for the 457. I think you guys already know. So this is an upgraded one. Box 1, box 2, but why two boxes? That's a big story. I'll tell that some other time. For today, let's unbox what's come in this box. Right. So here is winglet one. Whatever. On the 457. Nice. 457. Autologue. And yeah, these are the clamps that sit on this, and so yeah, but I'm thinking, why not, instead of leaving it plain black, let's go ahead and get it sticker done. Puts Aprilia branding. Alright, so I went and got the stickering done. So let's go ahead and stick this on the bike. Let's begin now operation fixing winglets. This is how it's going to look. Alright, so this is the left side one, right? So this is how it sits. One screw goes here, goes right into this. Yep, sits like that. So you need two Allen keys. One is the regular Allen key and one is the star shape.
We all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it?
Tough one. Easy actually, but when there's no much of light, it gets a little tough, but it was fun.